Hello everyone, today I want to show you how to maintain or wash the water purifier filters, how to wash it. Actually we have the filter here. This is the first filters, and now before it's white, now become red. So I will show you how to wash these filters, especially this one. The first filter need to be washed every week to make sure that your water is clear and the smell is no smell because of this. This is a bad water that we filled around 1 week or 2 weeks, so we need to be clear. So everyone have to know how to clean it. If you don't know how to clean it, just watch this video, you will know. Everyone, even the lady. Okay, let's start. So my water purifier, I have one, but I have two filters before the water going into the final filter. So this is the first, and I will show you the second. It coming by this way. This is the second one. The second one is still clear. It's no matter. We just clean the first one, and this is the final one that being fills the water for drinking water. So this one no need to wash because they have original filter from this company. If we don't fill this one, we may change this one every 3 months or every 1 month, depending on your water. If your water good quality, it will be longer. But I have used this filter to reduce changing. This is an expensive filter inside, so you will know how to clean. Just follow my video. So let's start to the first filter. So this is my first filter, and we need this one, a tool to remove this one. If you don't have this tool, you may use another thing that you can do it by yourself. Even anything that foam you can use. So because I have already, so I have no need to dry my hand, or even my hand I can do it. Oh, okay, I can do it even my empty hand. So I just show you the tool here. You can do this like this. Okay. Oh, I forgot to tell you that the first you need to turn off the valve. So I got a valve. So I got the valve here. I just close the valve first and go back to remove. Okay, so I'm go back to remove this one. Sorry for a background noise. Okay. Alright, because here is nearby the kitchen, so somebody is washing kitchen and plate. Alright, so I'm coming for the full set here. So you can see this is very dirty here. It is very dirty and we need to clean it. Actually we need to clean both of them. This one. So I will wash this one carefully, and this one we have nothing to wash. It just spray the water like this. Okay, so it needs to be the water strong fresh water in this one. Most white. It is very dirty and now it's almost white. If you have any stronger water pressure, it will be easy to clean. Okay. Okay. Wash it. Now it's not very white, but it's already clean. So we can put it back like this. Put it back like this. And to make sure that you have the waterproof here, this one If you lose this one, the water will leaking by this way. So you can put it back, and I will install it into the tube, into the filter again. So now we return back. Now we return back to the original place here. So we can just screw it back like this. Easy. It is very easy. Okay. And use the tool to make sure the water is okay. I'm gonna open the valve. Alright. So the water is coming. Water is coming back. Everything fine. Okay, so when the water is full and no leaking by this way, it's mean waterproof already. Don't worry about this. It will okay. So everyone just do the same thing with the second filter. This one, you can do the same thing. If your filter is worse or you look red, it's not clear, just clean it the second. But I recommend to clean the first one every week and the second one every month. So it will be fine for your final water purifier filter. It will not, they make it soon. It will longer life for your use. This one. Thank you very much for your watching my video, and hope you enjoy with my tutorial and subscribe for more video. Thank you. Bye. See you to the next video.